dapat talaga, if you're really passionate sa cosplay, dapat alam mo yung character, the details, and dapat alam mo yung personality nila.
That is necessary.
Yes,
You
that
cannot
is
do somebody
necessary.
bad. I mean, kung ikaw ang tatanungin. Halimbawa, a character that's dark, hindi pwede.
I also like doing dark cosplays.
Basta huwag lang evil. Because there's, or you don't really mind.
I don't really mind, just as long as I love the character.
You're able to express it.
Yes.
Yung ganito, halimbawa, Myrtle, magkano ang ginagastos mo yan?
For this, around 5,000.
Okay, magastos yan. So, ilan na lahat ang mga costumes mo?
I have lost count na po. There's too many.
I know you started when you were 14.
I started, yes.
You started when you were 14. What got you into cosplay?
My
And what is it about cosplay na nagbibigay sa'yo ng kakaibang kasiyahan?
I was an anime addict, otaku.
Okay.
Yes.
Doon nagsimula?
Yes.
And then?
My addiction to anime. And then, I wanted to show my creativity for making costumes. And mahilig talaga ako mag-watch ng animes and portray characters.
I understand. I'm fascinated. I love cosplay and cosplayers. Pero nung nag-uumpisa ka gawin ito, naunawaan ka ba ng mga kaibigan, ng iyong pamilya? I mean, what were people saying?
At first,
Or did you care?
They were a bit shocked, but then eventually they started to accept me, and they enjoyed seeing me do what I love.
Because it's really cute, di ba? Nakakatuwa.
Yes.
Like I was saying, you go to malls, you go to public places in costumes.
Yes.
And you love it.
Yes.
What is it about cosplay? The attention? Is it the expression? What is it?
Because we cosplay to express our addiction and not to impress people. We do it because we love it.
You love
namin.
it.
Yes.
It's from within.
Yes.
Okay. Myrtle, matagal kang nanatili sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. Ang dami-dami nang nasabi tungkol sa'yo. What was the best and the worst thing said about you?
I'd start with the worst. Yung worst is people said I was bossy. People said that I was too much of a perfectionist. But for me, I'm just a girl na giving her best sa lahat ng ginagawa niya and everything that I engage in. Ginagawa ko yung lahat ko. Binibigay ko yung best ko.
What was the best?
Yung best ko is, even if win or lose, I would still be happy because alam ko na I gave my 100% sa mga ginagawa ko.
Okay. Meron kaming mga nalaman. You have to correct me here kung hindi tama. As a child, you were a victim of bullying.
Yes.
May mga panahon daw na walang kumakausap, binabato ka, tinatapunan ka ng buhangin, and then as a teenager, you fell in love twice, got broken-hearted, at nangako ko sa iyong sarili na hindi na mangyayari ito sa akin.
Yes.
Is this true?
Yes.
Is this true? So when you go back to your childhood, at ikaw naging biktima ng bullying, what is it that you want to share with young people today? Lalo na ang mga biktima.
All I can say is, those struggles, yung mga dati mong nararanasan, make sure na after that, you will stand again, tapos you will become stronger.
Yeah, no, but what I'm trying to say, halimbawa, ako'y bata, nanonood na nakikinig sa ating pag-uusap ngayong gabi. Pag ako binubuli ng aking mga kalaro, what should I do? Magsusumbong ba ako? Lalaban ba ako? I mean, what should I do sa iyong pananaw?
For me, dapat, first talaga, it depends rin kasi, but for me, dapat lumaban din sila. We should learn how to fight rin.
Did you, as a child?
No.
Tumahimik ka lang?
Yes.
Oh, is this the reason why today masyado kang perfectionist? At 17, SK president ka, you're very good in school, na parang may perception tuloy, Myrtle, na merong perception ng ilang tao na masyado kang nagmamadali.
Hindi, I just want to give my best. And gusto ko lang i-prove sa ibang tao na I'm no longer the Myrtle in the past na pwede niyong tapak-tapakan.
Because people did that to you?
Yes.
Exactly how?
Na, yun, I was bullied. Tapos tinatapunan ako ng bato.
Okay.
And pinagpustahan ako. And they thought na they can just push me around. But now I'm proving myself na kaya ko mag-excel in everything that I can do.
But you also make sure that in the process, hindi ka rin nakakasakit.
Yes.
Diba? You have to be very careful because there's a thin line na parang while you're trying to prove yourself na hindi niyo na ako kaya ngayon, you can also be the aggressor.
The aggressor.
Diba? Alright, there's some Twitter questions. Sinabi namin na ikay magiging bisita natin at kami kumuha ng ilang questions from Twitter. Mula kay Fazby EG, may chance ba na maging BF mo si Yves in the future?
Of course.
Pinag-uusapan po namin na Yves, mga kaibigan, si Yves ng Teen Edition. Yes.
Of course po, may pag-asa.
May pag-asa. That's cute. Okay. Iimbitahan natin dito si Yves at kukunin natin ang reaksyon. Mula kay MC Robin Nerdehumo, what is your message to all your detractors?
Sa mga haters, I respect their opinion. And God bless you.
Okay. Doon naman sa mga humahanga sa iyo, anong nais mong sabihin? Because you have a lot of supporters too.
Yes, I'd like to thank them. I'm very thankful to everyone kasi it's easy to hate. Tapos, anger is weakness, pero to love is very hard. And I'm very thankful that they accepted me for who I am. So, thank you very much.
Okay. Mula naman kay Eugene, hanggang kailan o anong edad ka hihinto sa pagko-cosplay?
Kapag may anak na ako na nagko-cosplay rin.
Talaga? Doon ka lang hihinto. Pag may baby ka na nagko-cosplay. Okay, let's just do fast talk. Mabilisan lamang to. All you have to say is, ako yan, di ako yan. Kikay,
Ako yan.
Maginik,
Hindi ako yan.
pet lover,
Ako yan.
iyakin,
Ako yan.
music lover,
Ako yan.
selosa,
Hindi ako yan.
moody,
Hindi ako
favorite
yan.
actor.
Marami.
First name that comes to mind.
Si Kyle XY from
Ah.
An American Movie.
Yes, wow. Actress.
Si Kim Chu.
Favorite football player.
Chiefy Caligdongan Ian Araneta.
Political idol.
Miriam.
Different source and the senator. All right. Celebrity crush.
Paul.
Paul.
Salas. From
Alright.
Iloilo rin.
Okay. One word. Describe Yves.
Mapag-alaga.
Wow. How does it do it? You don't have to answer that. Halimbawa lamang ikay pumipila na papunta ng langit. Ano kayang yung isusuot na costume sa harap ni God?
Si Usagi from Sailor Moon.
Bakit?
Because she's very bubbly.
Wow.
And nakakatuwa siya.
And you want God to be happy. Okay.
Yes.
You have this tour with the PBB guys?
Yes. Gusto ko kayo i-invite para mag-watch ng mga tour namin. We'll go around the Philippines. Kasama ko lahat ng PBB teams.
Alright.
So, hope you guys will watch.
Aabangan namin lahat yan. Enjoy life and be the best.
Thank you.
Myrtle, maraming salamat. Myrtle, ikaw na.
No, Kuya Boy.